Class 9 children, today we will learn some more important questions from the chapter 3 expansion. So here I have a question for you children. If 2a minus 7b equal to 5 and ab is equal to 6, then find the value of 8a cube minus 343b cube. So you can see these two values have been given, these two values, and you have to find the value of this. So here in the solution I wrote 2a minus 7b equal to 5, this is given, ab equal to 6, this is given. So you have to find the value of 8a cube minus 343b cube. So you have to find that. Now you can see children here, there is cube on the top as power. So you can see it will become a formula of a cube minus b cube. How? Like 8 is the cube of 2 and 343 is the cube of 7. Now you might be saying, how did you know sir that? Then you can see this value. You can see here the value is 2a minus 7b. That means as the cube of 8 is 2, similarly the cube of 343 will be 7. So with this common sense you have to solve this question. By looking at 2a and 7b, you have to doubt that this is the cube of 2, and it is very common also that cube of 2 will be 8 and cube of 7 will be 343. So I wrote the same question here, 8a cube minus 343b cube, and then I made it a cube. That is, I wrote 8 as 2 and a cube as a, and I made it whole cube. That means 2a whole cube is equal to 8a cube. And this minus I wrote here, and this is 343b cube I wrote as 7b whole cube, because 7 cube is 343 and b cube is b cube. So now this became a formula of a cube minus b cube, where a is 2a, where b is 7b. And you all know children the formula of a cube minus b cube. In my last video I have given you a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Same formula I am writing here, that is 2a minus 7b whole cube, that is a minus b whole cube, where a is 2a and 7b is b. So 2a minus whole cube, 2a minus 7b whole cube minus plus 3ab. You can see formula plus 3ab. So here plus 3 into a is 2a and b is 7b. So plus 3ab into 2a minus 7b, that is a minus b. So same formula I have written here, where a is 2a and b is 7b. So my formula is complete. Now the same thing I wrote here. Here I multiplied 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So this result is 42ab, and 2a minus 7b I wrote same. Now I will put the value. The value will be 2a minus 7b will be 5, ab will be 6. So I did 5 cube plus 42 into 6, because value of ab is 6 and 2a minus 7b value is 5. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. And 42 into 6 you can multiply, it is 252, and into 5. And if you multiply these two, my answer will be 1260. And when it is added with 125, final answer is 1385. So this is how I have done this question. One more question I want to discuss children. We have a question, a minus b equal to 6, ab equal to 16. Find the value of a plus b. So value of a minus b is given, value of ab is given, you have to find the value of a plus b. Same thing I wrote here, a minus b 6, ab equal to 16, a plus b is unknown, that is question mark. So here I am going to use number 2 formula which I have provided you in the last video, that is 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Why I am applying this formula children? Because value of ab is given, value of a minus b is given. So I can find the value of a plus b. So same formula I have applied here, 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now 4 into value of ab is 16, a plus b value, a plus b value is unknown, so same thing I wrote, and value of a minus b is 6 whole square, because there is square here, so I have put square here also. Now 16 4 the 64, a plus b whole square, same thing, 6 square is minus 36, so this minus 36. Now I will interchange these values. Left hand value will go to the right hand and right hand value will come to the left hand. Why? Because I have to find the value of a plus b. So that's why I interchange. So a plus b whole square minus 36 came to the left side and 64 went to the right side. Now a plus b whole square equal to 64 plus 36. This minus came this side and became plus 36. Now a plus b whole square equal to 100. 64 plus 36 is 100. And whenever we remove square from the left side, we get root over on the right side. So a plus b equal to root 100, and root 100 is 10. So value of a plus b is 10. Now similar question of the last example, this question, the very similar question of this I have given you as homework. Please try to solve this question, children. Thank you, children.